Hello, everyone. Welcome to Catherine's ESL classroom. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about indefinite pronouns. Do you remember one of our last lessons using some, any, and no? Well, today we're going to learn these three words again, but we're going to use them as indefinite pronouns. And on top of it, we're going to add an additional word using every. So I'll give you an example in a sentence using an indefinite pronoun. They're two very popular words, anyone and anybody. Now we can use them interchangeably, meaning that if we want to say anyone, it would be someone in particular. Anybody could be anybody in particular. So we use anyone as a singular indefinite pronoun and anybody as a plural indefinite pronoun. So I'll give you an example. Did anybody come to class today? So that meant more than one person. Did anyone come to class today? That would be one person. So you want to decide how you want to communicate using these indefinite pronouns. But first, let's learn about a little bit more in depth and then how we can use them in sentences, and then our famous quiz time knowledge check. And you can practice, practice, practice until it becomes more natural to you. So let's get started. So welcome again, everybody. Today's lesson. Indefinite pronouns. So what is an indefinite pronoun? What do you think? It's a word that does not mention an exact or specific person, place, or thing. The pronoun is not definite. See our famous 4 words and then making them into an indefinite pronoun. So remember our examples. So we are just going to review the some, any, and no. Okay, remember our last lesson? Some is with a yes or no expectation. Any is negative sentences and questions. No is an affirmative sentence with a negative meaning, and every as well. Okay, so every with the affirmative sentences and questions. So now let's take a peek and get a closer look of indefinite pronouns. Every, what does it mean? Every is another word for all. Everyone is all people. Everything is all things. Everybody is all people. Everybody could be used as everyone interchangeably. Everywhere is all places. No, what does it mean? We know this already. It means not any. None is not any. No one and nobody is not any person. Nothing is not anything. Nowhere is not any place. Now, any, what does it mean? It's used to refer to one or some of a thing or number. Anyone or anybody is one or some people. Anything is one or some things. Anywhere is one or some places. Now, some, it's an unspecified amount or number. Unspecified, you know, is not clearly stated. So someone or somebody is unspecified amount of number of people. Somewhere is those unspecified amounts or places. And someone, somebody, which you know. Now, just to remind you as the cheat sheet here, those indefinite pronouns, remember, people, things, or places. We have someone, somebody, something, and somewhere. Same thing with any. Are you repeating? Come on, join the class. We have no one, nobody, nothing, and nowhere. Come on, everyone. Everything, everywhere, we're practicing. Come on, you ready? These should be easy for you now. And if it's not, go back to the lesson learning about some, any, and no, those three popular words. And then come back and learn these, okay? So now let's practice. Okay, so again, some, any, no, and every. I have something to tell you. Are you looking for someone? He knows somebody in New York. They want to go somewhere hot for their holidays. Quiz time. Now, this was probably so easy for you. I did this a little quickly because I know that you know the three words. So I just wanted to give you a nice refresher. So now let's get ready for the quiz. Okay, use these compounds to complete the following sentences. Okay, some, any, no, and every. Now we do some plus one, some plus body, some plus thing, some plus where. And you can use this with any, no, and every. Okay. So, would you like blank to drink? Which compound word? Now, do you remember what the compound word means? Well, it's two words put together. Okay. So I gave this one to you. Would you like something to drink? I knew that you knew this, so I just wanted to make this a little bit easier for you. So now it's your turn. Blank was at the meeting. Blank was absent. Which compound word or indefinite pronoun? Everybody was at the meeting. What could be the next one? Nobody was absent. Keyword absent. Okay. Sure you're getting the hang of it now. At the meeting, I asked if blank needed advice. At the meeting, I asked if, what could it be? Anyone needed advice. You can also say anybody. Okay, it's up to you what you want to communicate. Did that make sense? Okay. I had to take blank out of my suitcase at customs. It was awful. Which compound word or indefinite pronoun could it be? I had to take everything out of my suitcase at customs. It was awful. Starting to make sense now? All right, I'm so proud of you. So just review it a little bit more. What do you want for lunch? Blank, I don't mind. What do you want for lunch? Anything, I don't mind. Is that making more sense to you now? All right. Congratulations, you're doing amazing. Blank had to bring something to the party so we can enjoy it. Little tough here. What could it be? Everybody had to bring something to the party so we can enjoy it. Keyword, we. Okay. Got to get your clues from the sentences, the words in the sentences. I've looked blank, but I can't find my wallet. What could it be? What are the two words to put together as the compound word? Everywhere. I looked everywhere, but I can't find my wallet. Uh-oh. How many people lose their wallets? Oh no, I can smell blank burning. Uh-oh. Oh no, I can smell, Something burning. You're doing splendid. All right. Okay, which one next? I'd like to go blank nice this evening. What about you? Okay, keyword nice. I'd like to go somewhere nice this evening. What about you? Okay, starting to make more sense and you're becoming more and more of an expert. Okay, I waited for an hour at the station, but blank came. What could it be? Could be a choice of one or two words. Which one did you pick? Nobody came. I waited for an hour at the station, but nobody came. I was trying to trick you here. Okay, you waited for an hour, but nobody came. How about this one? I didn't know blank at all at the birthday party. Okay, what happens at a birthday party? Are there more than one people there? Yes. So it would be anybody. I didn't know anybody. Okay. How many people said somebody? Popular word is anybody. Okay, one to memorize. How about this one? Haven't we met blank before? Tricky one. Haven't we met? Could be two words. Sometime or somewhere. Haven't we met sometime before? Haven't we met somewhere before? Either one. They left the party without saying blank. Okay. They left the party without saying blank. What could it be? Anything. That's not nice. Now there's a missing punctuation mark. Should it be a period, question mark, or an exclamation mark? You pick, put it in the comments. I can't see the screen properly. Can we sit blank else? Okay, a little tricky. I can't see the screen properly. Can we sit somewhere else? Okay. This is getting too easy for you? Yes, it could be, but the ones that need some help, no worries, I'll help you. I have blank to stay tonight. What am I going to do? What could it be? I have nowhere to stay tonight. What am I going to do? I tried to trick you here, right? Remember, question mark. I was frightened. I thought blank was following me. I was frightened. I thought, someone was following me. We can also say somebody, but that meant more than one person. So the proper word is someone. I don't care where we go on vacation as long as it's blank, warm, and sunny. Okay. I don't care where we go on vacation as long as it's somewhere warm and sunny. Okay. Have you blank to declare? No, blank. It's getting a little bit harder now. Have you anything to declare? No. Nothing. Little tricky, right? Are you starting to get the hang of it? So what happened here? Are we all done? I don't know. Yes, we're done. You did outstanding. I'm so proud of you. So thank you very much, everyone, in joining Miss Catherine's ESL classroom, learning indefinite pronouns, 2 words utilized as compounds. So now you learned more. I'm so proud of you, everyone. Thank you again. Bye.